buds. Hey, I'm back for just a few minutes here. I just wanted to pass along to you that you know, it's hard for a fella to ask for help, but sometimes we gotta ask for help. I just need you guys, if you would, hit that subscribe button when you have just a few minutes when you get done with the video. That really helps me out on my videos, and it helps me to kind of keep my YouTube channel going. So guys, I'll keep making videos as much as I can, as long as weather's permitting. But if you guys will just hit that subscribe button sometimes, and I'd appreciate it. So appreciate you guys. See ya.